Now I'm going to show you how to save your flowers for a longer life. What we'll need for that is, of course, vase with some water, your flour, a little bleach, and sugar. Before we put the flowers in the water, we have to make sure that we take all the leaves out. Usually leaves in water make the water go bad very fast. And what we're going to do now is take a tablespoon of sugar, and we are going to put it inside the water. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of bleach and put it inside the water too. The bleach will help the water stay clear. Of course, not forever, but for a longer time. And the sugar will give the flower a kind of food that the flower can have during the stay in the water. So this combination helps the flower stay longer and look nicer for at least a week in a very hot weather or with air condition. It will help it stay, as I said, for at least a week with good shape.